For my Rasta pasta, I serve this up with a little oxtails. You can choose your meat of choice. This was more like a vegan version of Rasta pasta. Stay tuned for the video. Here are my ingredients that I'll be using to make some Rasta pasta. Rasta pasta, as it is called, is just a Jamaican thing, and the colors of the peppers used in it give it the vibe or the name Rasta pasta. So in this, I'll be using a little cream cheese, my peppers as normal. I'll be using 3 packs of cheese in this. I will not be using the entire packets. However, one has like 5 different mixture of cheese in it, provolone, different cheese. And then on top of that, I'll be using the regular cheddar, the regular mozzarella. So I boiled my noodles and I used a box of panini pasta for, I would say, 5 to 8 minutes, not until it is like overcooked. Then from here, I will start making my sauce. Now, I do have another Rasta pasta out on video on my channel, and I will also drop in the description box, so you will also see that video. So I added a little olive oil, and now I'll be adding my seasonings, which consist of bell pepper, garlic, onions, and some scallion. I allow this to saute for a while. Then I will be adding in heavy cream that I will be using. You can also use coconut milk. I opted this time to use heavy cream. Once my veggies were sauteed and I thought they were like ready, then I will need to add in my heavy cream. Then on the screen, you can follow as I add in my ingredients. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Rule of the game is please remember to like the videos, share, leave a comment. Please also note that I do also have a Facebook channel and I started to post videos on there. So please support. I added a little paprika, a little chili powder, some Italian herbs, some oregano. I did not add any additional salt except the salt that I used to cook the pasta. Here I'm just adding few cubes of cream cheese to my sauce to help to make the sauce tasty, add more flavor to it. Rasta pasta, you can add meat, any meat of your choice in it. So the cheese I used was Mexican blend, which had like 5 different mixture of cheese in it. So I'm adding in my cheese. For your Rasta pasta, it can be vegan. This one is vegan. You will see at the end of the video what I ate this with, but this one was a vegan one. You can add shrimp, you can add salmon, you can add chicken, you can add oxtail, any Rasta pasta that you want to do. You can add your meat of choice, whatever protein you choose, you can add that. This is a vegan version. The one I did before, it had grilled chicken breast in it. Let me tell you something. I love Rasta pasta. It's really tasty. It's really nice. There are different ways how you can make your Rasta pasta. This is my way, and let me tell you something. It's really tasty. If I wanted to, I could have added some coconut milk in it, but the cream cheese, the heavy cream, everything makes it lit. Here I'm adding in jerk sauce. So with the Rasta pasta having the colors of the bell pepper, the Jamaican jerk sauce gives it a little hit. You don't have to use a lot of it if you don't like spicy. It is also optional. You can leave that out. However, I like my things spicy, so hence the reason why I added in additional jerk sauce. Again, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. If you're new to my channel, I do home cooked meals on this side. Home cooked meals are essential, they're important, and they're also economical. Please make sure you like the video. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Hit your notification bell. And again, I also run a Facebook page. I also have an Instagram page. They're not really doing good. They don't have any followers. However, I started posting my videos on Facebook to see if it will help to gather subscribers on Facebook and also on my YouTube channel. Anything you can do to support your girl, thank you. It's free. There is no cost. If you're watching the video, please remember to like, share, comment, and please be respectful of your comments. Each and everyone cooks different, and I know what my cooking tastes like. On this, I added a little parsley flakes just for garnish on mine. And here is my Rasta pasta ready to be eaten. It can be eaten just as is. You don't have to consume any meat. It can be eaten as this. It's tasty. It's vibrant. The colors of it too. It is lit. So for mine, I ate mine with some veggies and a little oxtail. I could have added the oxtail in it and called it oxtail Rasta pasta. But on my channel, I have like so much oxtail videos out there. Stovetop, crock pot, so many videos out there with oxtail. Thank you for coming to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. I do hope that you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Remember now, have a blessed day. Stay tuned for my next video.